I am right next to the Mayo Hospital. There is a huge stores, and amazingly, it is wheelchair accessible. It is one. It is such a wonderful thing, and I'm really glad to see it that they thought about the disabled persons that can come to visit this mall, and so they can go inside on the wheelchair. They are close market, and let's see. And there is a restaurant, and it is right to the next to the Mayo Hospital. So someday if you come down here, you can enjoy something over here. Keep smiling.